एवरीवन नमस्ते, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम है आरती और आज काफ़ी समय बाद मुझे मौका मिला है ये वीडियो बनाने का, क्योंकि आई वाज कीपिंग रियली बिजी और मुझे मौका ही नहीं मिल पा रहा था कि भाई मैं वीडियो बनाऊं, क्योंकि एंड ऑफ द डे आई वाज सो ड्रेन्ड दैट आई हैड नो एनर्जी लेफ्ट इन मी टू एक्चुअली मेक अ वीडियो। तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना आज मैं वीडियो बना ही दूं, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं मेरे सबकॉन्शियस में ये चल रहा था कि भाई मुझे वीडियो बनानी है, आप सबको मुझे स्विच वर्ड्स देने हैं और बिकॉज दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट रियली सेटिस्फाई माई सोल। तो ये जो स्विच वर्ड्स हैं बेसिकली इट्स फॉर वुमेन्स सेफ्टी, बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ वेरी सेंसिटिव thing that you can relate to and every woman can relate to. And looking at the suffering and the happenings in the world around us, that whatever is going through, it is so important that we really shield ourselves, we protect ourselves, and as a woman, as a girl, that we have to take so many conscious steps, in every step of our life. तो ये जो स्विच वर्ड्स हैं मुझे स्पेसिफिकली कहीं ना कहीं देने थे आप सबको, बिकॉज एज अ वुमन and to see so many things happening around us, it really saddens my heart, but I really wanted to give this switch words to to all of you, to all the females, to all the women and all the girls, because we have daughters, we have wives, we have sisters, and it's really we get really worried when they step out in this world, when they go out, because when they're exposing themselves to this world, because everybody has their they want to be something, they have their goals, and being a woman, it is so much important to take conscious steps and to be safe, to be protected when they're stepping out in this world, because it is a harsh world by the end of the day, and we do have to keep ourselves protected and safe. And I really wanted to share this video with all of you from so long, but I was not getting time. तो ये जो switch words मैं आपको देने वाली हूँ, this is actually for women's safety, for all the females, all the girls, and as a mother, as a brother, as a husband. You can also use this for any female in your life, any women in your life who actually goes out, and you want to keep them safe. Use them and use the switch words for them. तो ये जो switch words हैं, being a woman, being a girl, also write it on your body every day. Write the switch words on your body, on your left arm every day. Use it in the form of energy circle. You can use it by also chanting it every day whenever you're stepping out, and whenever you feel that you are somewhere where you're not feeling good, and somewhere you're feeling that you're not safe, you can use it there as well. So the switch words are will be mentioned on the screen, and the switch words for women's safety is here on the screen. तो ये सारे के सारे switch words और जो डिवाइन प्रोटेक्शन नंबर्स हैं, आपको अपने बॉडी पे लेफ्ट आर्म पे लिखना है। आप इसे रोज़ लिखिए। As a woman, you should write it every day. As a girl, write it on your daughter. If it's little one, big one, small one, whatever, just write it to keep them safe. And use these switch words to support your safety, and wherever you go, whenever you are out, and keep yourself protected and shielded. So use them and share with every woman around us who really need these switch words. So दोबारा मिलेंगे हम नए सेट ऑफ स्विच वर्ड्स के साथ। तब तक के लिए आप लोग हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep vibrating love. I wish you peace, love, and light. Om Namah Shivaya.